What if I told you there's a lake that can explode? A battery older than Jesus? A man who survived 2 nuclear bombs. From Earth's deadliest places to the farthest corners of space. From ancient technology we still can't explain to people who defied science itself. These aren't sci-fi stories, they're real. And today, we're counting down 10 facts so unbelievable you'll question everything you know. Smash that like button, buckle up, and let's dive in.
Number 1.
The exploding lakes of Cameroon. Deep in Cameroon's volcanic highlands lie 2 deadly lakes, Nukes and Manaun, capable of sudden, catastrophic CO2 eruptions. On August 21, 1986, Lake Nukes released over 1.6 million tons of carbon dioxide in a rare limnic eruption, creating an invisible gas cloud that flowed downhill at 60 miles per hour, suffocating 1,700 people and 3,500 livestock. The victims were found with no burns or trauma. They simply stopped breathing. Scientists discovered these crater lakes accumulate CO2 from volcanic vents below. Today, degassing pipes slowly release the dangerous buildup, but the lakes still contain enough gas to fill 50,000 Olympic pools. Similar lakes exist in Rwanda and Congo, monitored constantly to prevent future disasters.
Number 2.
The 2,000-year-old battery. Discovered in 1936 near Baghdad, the 6-inch clay battery dates to the Parthian Empire 250 BC to 24 CE. When filled with vinegar or grape juice, its copper cylinder and iron rod can produce 1 to 2 volts, enough to electroplate gold onto silver. Archaeologists found similar devices in Mesopotamian sites, suggesting possible ancient galvanic cell technology. While mainstream scholars debate its purpose, some suggest religious artifact storage. German researcher Dr. Arne Egebrecht successfully used replicas to electroplate small objects in 1978. The mystery deepens as no written records mention electrical applications, leaving us to wonder if this was accidental discovery or lost technology.
Number 3.
The universe's largest reservoir. In 2011, astronomers detected a vapor cloud 12 billion light-years away containing 140 trillion times Earth's water volume, enough to fill every ocean on 28 quintillion Earths. This colossal reservoir surrounds APM 08279 plus 5255, a feeding supermassive black hole, quasar, 20 billion times our sun's mass. The water exists as vapor spread across hundreds of light-years, with temperatures of -63 degrees Fahrenheit minus 53 degrees Celsius and density 300 trillion times less than Earth's air. This discovery proved water existed just 1.6 billion years after the Big Bang, suggesting the essential compound for life has always been abundant in the cosmos.
Number 4.
The man who survived 2 nukes. Tsutomu Yamaguchi, a Mitsubishi engineer, was in Hiroshima on business when the first atomic bomb detonated just 2 miles away on August 6, 1945. Burnt and temporarily blinded, he returned home to Nagasaki on August 8. As he described his Hiroshima experience to skeptical bosses on August 9, the second bomb exploded. Though 70,000 died instantly, Yamaguchi survived both ground zeros, living to age 93. Japan officially recognized him as the only double hibakusha in 2009. His later years were spent advocating nuclear disarmament, calling his survival a destiny worse than death due to radiation illnesses affecting his family.
Number 5.
The place where no life exists. In Ethiopia's Danakil Depression, the Dalo hydrothermal field presents conditions so extreme they defy all known life. The neon yellow pools reach 194 degrees Fahrenheit 90 degrees Celsius with hyperacidity pH 0.25 and salt saturation exceeding 50%, 10 times saltier than seawater. Despite searching with electron microscopes and genetic sequencing, a 2019 study confirmed zero microbial life in these pools, not even extremophiles that thrive in volcanoes or nuclear reactors. The combination of magnesium-rich brines, toxic metals, and boiling temperatures creates a unique sterile environment that helps astrobiologists understand the absolute limits for life's existence.
Number 6.
The Library of Forgotten Smells. At the Osmothèque in Versailles, perfumers preserve 4,200 historic fragrances in argon-filled stainless steel containers at 57 degrees Fahrenheit 14 degrees Celsius. Their collection includes Marie Antoinette's rose-based perfume, recreated from her letters, Napoleon's cologne, and the extinct cashmere musk from Tibetan deer. Using headspace gas chromatography, scientists capture vanishing scents like 19th century tobacco shops or World War II-era rubber tires. The project faces unique challenges. Unlike visual art, smells can't be photographed, and some vintage perfumes degrade unpredictably. Future plans include smell maps of ancient cities and digital scent reproduction technology.
Number 7.
The Town That Never Thaws. Norilsk, the world's northernmost city with over 100,000 residents, endures temperatures that average minus 13 degrees Fahrenheit minus 25 degrees Celsius and can plunge to minus 58 degrees Fahrenheit minus 50 degrees Celsius. Built by Gulag prisoners in the 1930s, this nickel mining metropolis faces 45 days of polar night when the sun never rises. Residents suffer polar syndrome, insomnia, depression, and vitamin D deficiency. The nickel smelters produce acid rain so severe it's killed surrounding forests for 20 miles. With ground permanently frozen, buildings stand on stilts, and car engines must run continuously from September to May to prevent freezing solid.
Number 8.
The self-healing Roman concrete. Analysis of 2,000-year-old Roman harbor concrete reveals a remarkable secret. Seawater reacting with volcanic ash, pozzolana, forms rare aluminous tobermarite crystals that actually fill cracks. Modern scientists at UC Berkeley recreated this process in 2023 by mimicking the Roman recipe of lime, volcanic rock, and seawater. The resulting concrete not only repairs itself but grows stronger over centuries, unlike modern Portland cement that degrades in decades. This ancient technology could revolutionize marine construction and reduce the 8% of global CO2 emissions currently produced by cement manufacturing.
Number 9.
The 240-year-old science experiment. Started in 1774 at Oxford, the pitch drop experiment demonstrates bitumen's liquid properties despite appearing solid. The funnel-held tar flows so slowly that only 9 drops have fallen in 240 years, about 1 every 33 years. The experiment holds the Guinness record for longest-running lab test, though no one has ever seen a drop fall live. Current custodian Professor John Mainstone missed all 3 drops during his 52-year watch, 1974 to 2013, by minutes. High-tech monitoring now captures the 10th expected drop around 2027.
Number 10.
The Man Who Lived Without a Brain. In 2007, a 44-year-old French government worker's routine brain scan revealed astonishing adaptation. His cerebral hemispheres were compressed to thin sheets by hydrocephalus, with 90% of cranial space filled with cerebrospinal fluid. Despite an IQ of 75, borderline impaired, he held a steady job, married, and fathered 2 children. His case challenged neuroscience dogma about brain plasticity, showing how remaining neurons can reorganize over decades. Similar cases exist, including a woman with just 7.5% normal brain matter who graduated college, suggesting we vastly underestimate the brain's compensatory abilities.